Hello everybody. So here you will find the Visual Arts Department curriculum in your shared drives, hopefully. So if you go in here, you can find the elementary folder, and then you can find kindergarten. In kindergarten, you'll find resources, the demonstration of learning quick guides, unit guides, and scope and sequence for kinder. Here is the plan for the whole year, and you can see that the unit is titled sometimes with a question, what is an artist, and then suggested studio habits of mind to also go along with that. Sometimes it's a statement that artists develop craft, and then of course the studio habit mind can be develop craft or engage and persist. Plus you will see what the students will be learning or doing, essential question suggestions, the concepts and topics for that unit, skill builder suggestions, what kind of skills or techniques to teach, future artists that could be really beneficial to this unit, and of course the TEKS and national standards. If we look in the unit guides, specifically, my assignment is doing with Unit 11, so we can look through that. And here you can see the unit overview and I can statements. There's also the unit understanding and the overarching unit concepts. Plus here you can see how to differentiate for your EL, your SPED, and your DT learners. Then if you scroll down, there's vocabulary. There's also instructional strategies to use, resources, critical components, formative assessment, and summative examples. Then you can also find the cross-curricular connections for if you need to connect language arts or math into your lesson. These are the TEKS that go with that. If we want to look, let's go back to the DOL quick guides and see what's in there. For Unit 3, you can see that it has suggestions about what to teach and how to teach in Vision, plus other activities that could go along with that. How to do a lesson with primary colors and other examples of that. Plus in here I've added books that could be helpful, songs, and videos that you could also show your kids that specifically have to do with primary colors or the studio habit of mind and vision. So those are just great resources to have. Plus you can find the books or more books in the elementary art curriculum resources. So if we want to take a look at what else, here's resources here. And for my unit today with Unit 11, I suggest a book called Maybe Something Beautiful. And here you can find the teacher's guide. And then plus I have a visual for the artist process. So if you want to use that, you're welcome to that as well. And so that is the kindergarten file with all these different types of folders and resources in there for you. And with that, hopefully you will be able to complete the assignment in this training. And so let's go on from there.